Yo everybody, welcome back to Job Quest, and today we're focused on an essential step as we try to find the job, which is making sure that we're on the right career path. Welcome back to Job Quest. My name's Matt from Project Rebuild, and we're so glad that you're here because today is a very important step in your job quest, which is defining your career path. So first of all, what is a career path? Simply put, your career path is going to be the accumulation of all the training, education, and work experience you have that move you closer to your long-term goals. So we've got to make sure that you know what that long-term goal is. So while you might not know what you want to do, you probably have a good idea of what you like to do, and that's a great place to start. And if you're looking for a little bit more clarity, there's a ton of interest assessment quizzes available online. My favorite is careeronestop.org. We'll link that in the description down below, but it gives you great insight and jobs that might make sense based off of what you already like to do. So it's really important that you're honest with yourself throughout this entire assessment process and make sure you factor in the pros and the cons. So you might love being outside, but are you ready to spend 8 hours in the rain and snow? You might love helping people, but if you're dealing with a customer who's a little bit less than kind, how are you going to react? You might love driving, but are you ready to be an open road trucker away from your family for that long? Those are all questions you're gonna have to ask yourself, so make sure you're real with yourself. It's also really important that we take our natural strengths and weaknesses into consideration. While everybody could get better at anything, there are some things that come more naturally than others. And jobs are just as unique as the people who do them, so odds are there's a job that lines up with your skill set. And if you're not sure of what those natural strengths are, ask somebody. You'll be amazed on the insight your friends, your family, your teachers, your coworkers have on you, and some of the things they say might surprise you. Another thing we have to factor in is what does the future look like in the career path that you're interested in? The world, the economy, and the job market continue to change and evolve, and you don't want to get left in the dust, so it's important to look for jobs that have a bright future outlook. Jobs that are in high demand now and will continue to be in the future tend to be safer bets and are going to offer you more opportunities. More opportunities exist in the world of healthcare and IT because sick people and computers are a permanent fixture in our lives. You might really want a job in buggy sales or typewriter repair, but it's not going to offer you much opportunity. So another major thing to factor in is money. Yes, contrary to what some people might tell you, money matters. No matter how perfect a job might be for you, if it's not going to meet your financial needs, it's probably not the right career path for you. So it's really important to think about not only the starting salary, but the earning potential in the future. Plus, what are your living expenses now, and what are they going to be in the future? So if you want a huge house, and a brand new car, and designer clothes, well, the pay on the career path you're looking into better meet those expenses, and you better be ready to take those steps. If not, it's either time to change your expectations or time to change your career path. So let's consider somebody who's been interested in sports for their entire life, plus they love helping people. They talked to one of their former coworkers, and one of the things that stood out is they perform really well under pressure. Taking that into consideration, plus an online career assessment, this person decided to research sports therapy as a possible career path. That job is in high demand and will continue to be in the future, plus the starting wages meet their salary expectations and offer room to grow both in position and money. This person now has a career path. Sure, there's going to be trials and tribulations, ups and downs. They might have to change it in the future, but they at least have something to aim at. Their long-term goal is something they're good at, something they're passionate about, something that is sustainable, and something that meets their standard of living. In the future, we'll break down the process of following your career path a bit more, but the first step is an essential one. By defining your own success, you make it much more likely you'll continue down that path and find the job. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and for more content like this, hit that subscribe button and let's keep taking steps on your job quest.